David, we're in front of the new profile steam closet. What makes this different from other manufacturers' steam closets?
Yeah, so first of all, if you're selling combos, you now have space, right? What do I do with this extra space I have? How do I give you a better experience around all your laundry needs? And this does just that. So it's really easy. There's no plumbing required here. It's regular 120 volt. We use tanks, so you don't have to have any drains or any water hookups. But a lot of really cool features this does. So, and you can see them on here. So one is just refreshing stuff and taking wrinkles out. This is a wrinkled shirt. You can see how wrinkled this is, come out of like a suitcase. In about 40 minutes, this is the exact same shirts, and I just did this cycle, so they're warm. But you see completely pressed garments, right? So you get that immediately right out of there, so you don't have to necessarily add extra trips to the dry cleaner. You can skip those if it's just really about getting wrinkles out of items. Pant crease as well, so you've got pants, you like to have that crease in it. Over time, those creases kind of fade. You can add that crease right back in here with this as well.
Yeah, and I see there's a shelf here, so if I had, let's say, tennis shoes that I didn't want to put in the dryer, or boots, if I was, in the wintertime in Pittsburgh or any other part of the country, we come in and those boots are wet.
Yeah, so this is also a gentle drying machine, so it doesn't just do steam, you can also dry. So if you have something that came in from the rain or from the snow, throw them in there and we'll quickly but gently dry those items for you as well. Think about sanitizing some things that you normally wouldn't put through the washer, right? So think of like a small stuffed animal or a kid's backpack that you necessarily wouldn't want to put through a washing machine. You can do those things in here as well. We'll add a little extra heat and we'll hold that heat to sanitize in here as well.
Yeah, and it's actually pretty wild. Everybody's cheering because they love this machine. So I can't wait to see how these do. I'm sure they're gonna just blow away any expectations.
Yeah, so these will be available in November, and we'll have an always-on rebate. So if you pair this with one of our high-end profile washers and dryers or a combo, you'll get a $300 rebate.
Thank you, David. Really appreciate you showing us this piece.
You're welcome.